Hello everyone! In this MockFlow IdeaBoard AI tutorial, we'll learn how to create a recruitment process flowchart for a tech company in under 2 minutes. Log into your MockFlow account, go to your dashboard, hover over New IdeaBoard, select Generate with AI, and enter your prompt. In this example, we'll enter a prompt for a tech company's recruitment process. Then, click Generate. Your AI-generated flowchart will appear instantly. Next, refine the design by adding or rearranging shapes, arrows, and borders to match your company's hiring steps. Invite teammates to collaborate directly in the editor. MockFlow's IdeaBoard makes real-time teamwork effortless, so everyone can review, comment, and update the chart together until it's perfect. As you can see, we have successfully created a recruitment process flowchart for a tech company using MockFlow IdeaBoard in no time. And that's it. Your recruitment flowchart is ready. Like, share, and subscribe for more MockFlow IdeaBoard AI tutorials.